At RollPros, we're trying to positively impact the sustainability of this industry. These pre-rolled cones, which are everywhere, are actually handmade in factories overseas. I just started thinking about the logistics of that and the size of factory you need to have, how many containers are going across the ocean every day that are filled with mostly air and these fragile little cones. We go directly to the manufacturers of raw materials for the joints. Supporting our local manufacturing scene, all of our fabricated parts are made locally here in Vancouver, Washington.
We're cutting out the expense and the negative impacts of labor and shipping costs by simply using raw materials in our system. We let the machine do the cutting, the rolling, and provide a number of environmentally friendly solutions for you. Each bobbin that goes on the Blackbird, it's approximately 50,000 pre-rolls. Our bobbins fit in a backpack essentially, so we're really reducing not only just the cost associated, but also the environmental impact in going with the raw materials through the Blackbird.
The Blackbird can do 750 joints an hour. It can do that with one operator, and it gets your cost of goods sold just under 3 cents.
Part of our mission in changing the cannabis industry lives in our multifaceted approach to sustainability. By leveraging existing supply chains, buying directly from our manufacturers, and really leaning on raw materials, we're able to reduce our carbon footprint while passing along valuable savings to our customers. Increasing your margins while reducing your environmental impact, that's the RollPros way.